that I'm becoming more of a marketer and like a connector for people, whether it be a product or service or what have you, because I do also have an advertising sales background. And I also am an investor, and I'm a accredited investor in an apartment complex in Florida. Also I'm thinking about, I've gotten into some wholesaling, just some other avenues, and I'm just trying to fine tune it and network and meet people and see where it leads.
Thank you, man. Hi everyone, my name is Ty. We do buy and holds in Kansas City, Missouri, and we also do work with a lot of wholesalers and help people sell properties or buy properties in Southern California, not necessarily as an agent, but as an investor. Also part of a couple of syndications, so we're able to get into syndications for apartment buildings that have like 15-19% IRR. Those are some of the network deals that we have. And then my background is in IT, so if you need help with any system stuff, whether it be